Is that just like a pressure tank, or is that like a dryer or something, or what is that? Like the big tank thing in there?
Oh, that is the air compressor tank. So that's
holds some
your
area.
separator.
Right.
So that's full of oil to about here. And then there's a separator in there. There's your pressure check valve, and then your air line coming off your air end. She works fucking mint.
So it's 250 CFMs, or?
Yep, 250 CFMs at 100 PSI.
So when you don't have anything hooked up, it just blows free, or does it have like a relief thing, or how does it?
Start it up, press the bypass. There's her producing air, right? 120.
Does the hour meter work?
Yep.
Let's do a little recap here.
Oh.
What do we got? What do we got going on? So this thing, you just turn it this way for high pressure, this way for low pressure?
Yeah, so that's how you start it, right there. And then you go up for high pressure. And
then you just hold that to relieve the pressure to start it.
Yeah, so on.
Yeah.
Bypass.
Yeah. And then you don't have to worry, like you could leave it running like this, or is it?
Yeah, you can leave it running like this. It's just blowing off right now. So like both these are closed, right? So it's just unloading. That's what you hear down there.
Right on.
And then now she's just blowing off at 110 PSI. And then just shut it off just. And then.
So what do you think of inwood? Fucking awesome or what?
What's that?
What do you think of inwood? Awesome or what? I'll check this out. Well, it's the animal house. Yeah, it's the animal house. Okay, you ever been there?
No.
I apologize.
Spot 9th Avenue, Calgary. It's actually called the Animal House. But the difference is it's full of fucking hookers shooting up. Christmas, there was a murder. That was fun because it was a shared bathroom, so I didn't get to go piss for about, I don't know, 8-9 hours. That was
Nice.
awesome. And on the back door, I took pictures of this shit. There's a syringe taped up and it says, "Stop letting the hookers in. This is what you find," because they're all over the floor. There's people sniffing paint thinner and gas on stairs.
Nice.
This guy, his wife, he's pimping his wife out. This great big hairy dude. He looks, I don't know, savage. And anyway, so he makes a comment to his wife, and they get in a fight. And Buddy takes those little miniature baseball bats, like the ones you get at the baseball game.
Yeah.
And
just wiffle ball bats.
He smashes the back of his head open. This is Christmas, and there's 24 cops. I got the newspaper clipping because no one will believe you. 24 cops. It was retarded, and now I know why they call it the Animal House. Fucking, I never. Oh, then they got kickaboo juice. Okay, now kickaboo juice is water and rubbing alcohol. That's what they're drinking. Holy! I've never seen people beat each other and it's
What do they call it?
kickaboo juice.
Kookaboo juice.
Kickaboo, like, yeah, kickaboo juice.
Fuck, this thing's bouncing as fuck.
Yeah, I can feel it going, you know.
Hey, where's Ricky?
Right here.
Can you fix this thing for me? Can you fix this thing for me quick? Right in the dink. Son of a bitch. Holy, what's going on in here? How you doing? Holy, look at this thing. Whose is this?
Don't know. Just dropped it off.
It smells like piss in here, buddy.
Oh, it's the dogs all winter kidney and all the week, sorry.
Oh, that's a great smell. Look at this thing. Land Rover. How much you want for this Land Rover, bud? I'll put a Cummins into it. Did you see my cab over?
Yeah.
Holy shit, it's this thing?
Yeah.
Holy shit. That'll work.
That'll work. Yeah. Good. Oh. That bolt's probably an antique, so it's got different holes here for rotation. Whatever. Probably gonna want.
Decent. She rolls nice too.
Well, I just brought it in from outside. Put some oil on the wheels and free them up. I'll remove it a little bit and I'll free right up. Yeah. Look at that.
It's a couple flat spots, not a big deal. Oh, careful.
Uh-oh.
What happened?
I am my mamacita.
Mamacita? Turn her this way, get that over there, slide that over that way, drag her through. You do good work, John Luke.
Bravo.
How'd you meet this guy who was stealing cats in my backyard?
Yeah. How you doing?
Hey, how's it going?
Good, good.
You're all fuzzy.
Oh yeah, lazy.
Come on.
Something like that.
Oh, he's seen a camper. Look out.
All right, you gotta keep out the weather.
Right on, man.
Put that to good use.
Roger.
I want to see something on it.
Right on, man.
Clean it up, candy straight.
Hey, careful. That's my good one. Oh, I gotta piss so bad. But yeah, my new one. A Leroy. A Leroy. Leroy. Eh? Freaking love Leroy.
Yeah, she's a monster.
Yeah.
Holy fuck, she's industrial times 10.
Right? Oh, fuck, I gotta piss and shit. Oh, I gotta piss and shit big time. Oh, it was a good truck while it lasted, I guess. Well, we basically drove into the mountains. 5.5, almost 6 hour drive. But I found out you love bum stuff. Eh?
I don't know about that.
What do you mean?
No, that shit for me.
Bum stuff?
Yeah, I'm bum free. I'm on a bum free diet.
What? There it is. My friggin' new one. Oh shit.
You can come a bit more if you want.
I won't.
That way the back is not there. Is it? It should stop because you're about to drive up the ramps too. I don't think it is headed.
That's hitting the trailer up there too.
You can go ahead with it, put a board on your right. Oh, it's right there. That's where it's heading. Alright.
Right on, boys.
Hey, boys,
Much obliged.
Yeah. Good luck, eh?
Yes, sir. Right on. Yes, sir. Thanks a lot. Look at all my trailers, boys. I'm like a trailer enthusiast. Terrible. Huh?
You got like a trailer fetish, right?
Yeah, real bad. And a tantler fetish. Oh yeah, man.
Ooh, this old girl's probably like, thank God.
Oh yeah.
She's like, leave me
Only
the
a-
fuck alone.
Only a 12. What is it? Left at 8 and it's 9:19. Oh dear. What have I done? Oh my goodness, boys. My good one. Yeah. No glow plugs or nothing, eh? None of the glow plugs. Just chooching. Yeah. mind if I do. Holy schneik words, boys. Yeah. Custom as frig. Custom as frig, probably. Oh. Oh, my new one. I'm a tractor enthusiast, big time. Oh, my good winter one. Good Lord. Holy suffering. Heat chick is almost as bad as the hobo. Yeah, these machines are 3-torious for faulty cab switches, right? So the thing's the cab's tilted forward when I'm trying to drive it, and oh, that's great. I was really hoping to get that in here and put the bucket on. I really don't see the bucket working though, because I told him, you know, the distance between here and here is too far. So when you're scooping, it only scoops like, you know, to like there. It needs to scoop to like there, not there. So if that was like, you know, way closer together, then it would scoop further, but he's only got it like a ½ an inch closer together. So I don't know, maybe that's enough, but I really can't see it, but maybe I'm wrong. Just put it on there, I guess, and see. But you know, if the skid steer work would be in here right now, that's what we'd be doing. But no. But I made room for the Grummins, eh? Made room for the Grummins. I did. I really did. Anyways, I gotta figure out this skid steer, and then we'll get that bucket in here and get that changed and see if it even works, and if I gotta call Buddy back to have him remake the whole spiel, and yeah, it'll be awesome. It's always the best when your equipment doesn't work, but yeah. Let's try her out. Just full of chunks. That's what you want to see. Hey? Yeah, man. Good friend. Kamakachi. Good friend. Yeah, I don't know. I think we're gonna have the same issue where it'll go really high, but it, you know, it'll only scoop to like there, but it needs to scoop to like there, so that when you lift it up, because like, well, you know, if it only scoops to there, when you lift it up, she just dumps out. You can't load a trailer with it. But I think I don't know. Let's try it. I'm not a mathematician, clearly. See, that's as much as it should curl, but it's not quite seated in the asshole. Oh man. You see, they put the pin way down here when they could have put it up there. It just doesn't make any sense. They put it up, so they couldn't have put it any further away when I wanted them to get them as close together as possible. So it should definitely have more curl than that. You take a scoop and you try to load it into a truck, it's as if it's going to dump out on the ground, right? If it's scooped all the way to touch the neck, then yeah, we wouldn't have that issue at all. So this is what they call the wedge coupler design, but I've never seen bolts that cinch tight. But yeah, you can get your finger between the head and the air skull. Like you only chooch up a couple threads of the end of the bolt. But yeah, terribly disappointed, I must say. But again, inwood, right? So I don't know why I would have thought, but I mean, I couldn't have possibly stressed enough to this guy how important it was to make this so that I can use it. I mean, I can use it, you know, I could use it the way that it was, not spend 4,000 bucks, right? But I mean, it sure is fancy. Oh dear. I'll have to call him after the Hollowoods here and see what he can come up with, because like I say, if you know, if the pinhole was where the nut hole was and the nut hole was where the pinhole was, I bet you we'd have enough. But anyways, I'll move this, get this out of here, and get the grumming in, boys. Hey, we'll get the grumming in. What do you think of them apples? Yeah, my new one. Oh, let's see if this thing decides to just randomly frig off. Would that be something? No, that might be everything I need to use it for the day's done. Surely gonna work. Yeah. Told you. Remember I told you? Pretty sure you remember me telling you. Works fine now. Need to unload a pallet? No.